Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test your oxygen sensor. Prioritize your safety by always wearing safety glasses and protective gloves when working on your vehicle's engine. Confirm the engine is completely off and has cooled down for at least 30 minutes to avoid severe burns. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery to prevent any accidental electrical shocks or circuit damage before you begin any testing. Begin by locating your vehicle's oxygen sensor, which is typically found in the exhaust system. Visually inspect the sensor for any signs of physical damage, such as melted plastic, frayed wires, or cracks. Also, check the connector for corrosion or bent pins. Afterward, start your engine and allow it to reach its normal operating temperature, usually around 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for the most accurate test results. Now, prepare your digital multimeter by setting it to the DC millivolt scale. Locate the oxygen sensor's signal wire, often a white or black wire, and carefully pierce it with your multimeter's positive lead. Connect the negative lead to a good chassis ground. With the engine running, observe the readings. A healthy sensor's voltage should rapidly oscillate between 100 millivolts and 900 millivolts, indicating proper oxygen detection. Next, completely disconnect the oxygen sensor's electrical connector from the vehicle's wiring harness. Adjust your multimeter to the ohm setting for measuring resistance. Carefully place the multimeter leads onto the two terminals associated with the sensor's heater element, which are usually the same color. A properly functioning heater element should display a resistance reading typically between 3 ohms and 20 ohms, confirming its internal circuit is intact and heating correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.